In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to monetize their online presence. One key aspect of successful affiliate marketing is creating compelling product reviews that captivate your audience and drive them to make a purchase. In this article, we will delve into the art of crafting persuasive affiliate product reviews that can revolutionize your review game. Identifying the problem: lackluster reviews. Many aspiring affiliate marketers struggle with creating impactful product reviews. Their content often lacks depth and fails to engage readers on an emotional level. Without connecting with their audience, these reviewers miss out on valuable opportunities to convert potential customers into buyers. The unique rationale: stand out from the crowd. By mastering the art of creating compelling affiliate product reviews, you can set yourself apart from the sea of mediocre reviewers and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Not only will this lead to increased credibility, but it will also result in higher conversion rates and ultimately boost your earnings. Understand your audience. To create captivating product reviews, you must first understand who you're writing for. Put yourself in your reader's shoes. What are their pain points? What problems are they looking to solve? By addressing these concerns directly in your review, you'll be able to connect with your audience on an emotional level. Research thoroughly. Before writing a review, conduct thorough research on the product or service you're promoting. Familiarize yourself with its features, benefits, and any potential drawbacks or limitations it may have. This knowledge will enable you to provide accurate information and offer genuine insights that resonate with your readers. Use storytelling techniques. One powerful way to captivate readers is by incorporating storytelling techniques into your reviews. Share personal experiences or anecdotes related to the product, how it solved a problem for you or enhanced your life in some way. By making the review relatable and engaging, you'll keep your audience hooked from start to finish. Highlight unique selling points. When reviewing a product, it's essential to highlight its unique selling points that differentiate it from competitors. What makes this product stand out? Is it the quality, affordability, or innovative features? By showcasing these strengths, you'll give readers a compelling reason to choose this particular product over others in the market. Provide comprehensive pros and cons. While highlighting the positive aspects of a product is crucial, don't shy away from discussing its limitations as well. Providing an unbiased assessment of both pros and cons demonstrates transparency and builds trust with your audience. It also helps potential buyers make informed decisions based on their specific needs. Incorporate visuals. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Leverage this concept by incorporating visuals into your reviews whenever possible. Include high-quality images or videos that showcase the product in action or demonstrate its key features. Visuals not only enhance the overall appeal of your review but also provide additional context for readers. Offer exclusive bonuses or discounts. To entice readers further and increase conversions, consider offering exclusive bonuses or discounts alongside your affiliate link for the reviewed product. This added value can be just what potential buyers need to tip them over into making a purchase through your link rather than someone else's. Conclusion: crafting compelling affiliate product reviews requires careful thought and attention to detail but can ultimately revolutionize your review game and boost your earnings significantly. By understanding your audience, conducting thorough research, utilizing storytelling techniques, highlighting unique selling points while providing balanced pros and cons analysis, incorporating visuals when appropriate, and offering exclusive bonuses or discounts, you will create reviews that resonate with readers on an emotional level while providing them with valuable information they need to make purchasing decisions. Remember, in today's saturated market of affiliate marketers vying for attention, it's crucial to stand out from the crowd. By implementing these strategies and honing your review writing skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a trusted authority in your niche and maximizing your affiliate marketing success.